In this video, we're going to talk about combination of functions, specifically product and quotient. So if we've got fg of x, or f times g of x, that's equal to our function f of x times our function g of x. So we're just taking whatever terms we have here, multiplying it by whatever terms we have in here. For quotient, similar. F over g of x is equal to f of x divided by g of x. So a lot of times, if this doesn't simplify, we'll just end up with a rational function. So let's look at some examples. We've got m of x equal to 2x minus 1, n of x equal to x squared plus x minus 2. So we're going to look at the product of those two functions. We're not going to do domain right now. We'll do that in another video. So m times n of x. Well, we're just, remember, taking m of x times n of x, right? So we can just go ahead and first, a little smaller. So this is just m of x times n of x, right? So we can write these out separately, and I'm going to put them in parentheses. I don't know why, I just like how that looks better with the spaces there. And then multiply it by x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, so now we just have to multiply these two polynomials. So whether that's using box method, if you like that, or FOIL, distributing through, that's what I like to do. So 2x, and I'm just going to copy this part here. So 2x, I have to do, I can write this out here. I have to do 2x times x squared, 2x times x, and 2x times negative 2. And then negative 1 times x squared, negative 1 times x, negative 1 times negative 2. So go ahead and make sure you're trying this out on your own first. So we end up with, and I don't need parentheses anymore. I'm also going to go down to the next line here, out of the way of my red lines. So 2x times x squared, we get 2x, and it's actually going to be cubed. And then I'm going to end up with a 2x squared here minus a 1x squared there. So plus x squared. 2x times negative 2, so negative 4x. And here I get another negative x, so minus 5x. And then I end up with negative 1 times negative 2 is plus 2. So there is our product of m and n of x. Now quotient, n over m of x, remember that is taking n of x divided by m of x. So I can actually just take my equation here and my equation here. So this is saying that n of x divided by m of x is going to be x squared plus x minus 2 all over 2x minus 1. So we always want to look if we can simplify that. If we can, it's because we're able to factor our polynomials and cancel out a common factor, but we can't really factor 2x minus 1, and I know since this is just a 1x squared, we can't factor this so that one of the factors is 2x minus 1. So this one is can be simplified. So there's our answer for n over m of x. So then if I do the same thing with m of x over n of x, well, again, I know that I can't factor these to cancel anything out. So I'm just going to end up with the same thing, only our rational is going to be flipped around, right? So we end up with m of x over n of x equal to 2x minus 1 over x squared plus x minus 2.